Whoa, what up? What's that? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man. Y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now, today we're going to take a look at the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Glow in the Dark. Welcome to the Ave. Okay, so looking at the box, you see you have the typical brown box. You see the large 350 across the top. On the side, you got the large Boost. This side, Yeezy Boost 350 made by Adidas. Blank on this side. Here's the tag. What we have is the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in glow in the dark. Well, they call it glow, so it is what it is, man. Now this is 10.5. Stay tuned. Later in the video, we're gonna do an on foot. We're gonna show you a smaller side. We're gonna do a size 6, an on foot of a size 6. So anyway, here it is, the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 glow in the dark. Now me personally, I'm not a fan of this color. It's not my style, but I don't knock it. But we still gonna get into the review, man. Here's a look around the shoe. You see the back, you see you have the pull tab. So the pull tab is still on this shoe. Heard they coming out with something without the pull tab. So go figure. And why would they do that? I don't know. Here's a look from the front. And we take it back around. Now let's go ahead and give you an all around look at both shoes, man. Okay, so here's a look at the bottom. You see you had that green glow with your Boost. Under the bottom, you see you had a Boost at the back and sprinkled all in the front. Y'all already know what's happening with 350s, man, so I ain't gonna get into detail, man. I'm gonna be quick. I'm gonna get in and get out of here, man, because I got things to do. You know what I'm saying? Like I say, make sure y'all stay tuned, man. We're gonna do an on foot at the end of the video. Here's a look at that pull tab. Here's your medial side. And here's your front. Here's a look from the top. Y'all already familiar with this, man. So as you can see on the side, this does have that same see-through pattern. You know, I don't know how y'all feel about that, but it is what it is, man. Now here's a look at the other shoe. You see you have the same see-through pattern on that strip on the side. Here's a look at the front, top. Here's your medial side. See, you got your tags and everything. And back to the back. I mean, it is what it is, man. Either you're a fan of these or you're not, man. You know what I'm saying? So here's a look at your insole. You got that glow insole with the Adidas Yeezy on the insole. I mean, it is what it is, man. Let me know what y'all think about these joints, man. Let me know if y'all feeling these or not. The color too loud or not a fan of the 350s or whatever the case is, man. You know, but I mean, I think it's a straight shoe. You know, they look nice on smaller feet to me. You know, the 350s, it just don't do it for me on bigger feet. You know what I'm saying? So like I say, man, let me know what y'all think about these in the comments, man. Let me know if y'all feeling these or not. I'm not feeling them, but it is what it is, man. Just giving y'all a look at the joints, man. You know what I'm saying? And we're gonna keep it moving, you know. So man, y'all make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe to the channel, man. Follow us on Instagram at PetlersAv504. Let's go ahead and get into this on foot. You hear me? And I'ma holler back.